Hello and welcome to Curiosity Unleashed. In today's game changing episode, we are unveiling 10 genius life hacks designed to revolutionize your everyday routines, from maximizing productivity to simplifying household tasks. Get ready to transform your life with these clever tips and tricks. So let's get started. Curiosity Unleash. Say goodbye to daily frustrations and hello to a more efficient and enjoyable life. Here are our top 10 life hacks that will impress and astonish you. Number 1. 1 minute rule. Stay on top of clutter with the 1 minute rule. If a task takes less than a minute to complete, do it immediately to keep your space tidy and organized. Number 2. Lint roller hack. Use a lint roller to quickly clean crumbs, pet hair, or dust from soft surfaces like upholstery or lampshades. It's a speedy alternative to vacuuming. Number 3. Elastic band rescue. Wrap a rubber band around the lid and base of a stubborn jar for extra grip, making it a breeze to open. Number 4. The smartphone speaker. Amplify your phone's volume by placing it in an empty glass, cup, or bowl. A simple trick that transforms your regular smartphones into a makeshift speaker. Number 5. Color coding life. Use colored pens or highlighters to create a visual system for notes or calendars, making it easier to prioritize tasks and stay organized. Number 6. Shower shoe saver. Keep your shoes smelling fresh by placing a few drops of your favorite essential oil on a dryer sheet and inserting it into your shoes overnight. Number 7. Instant iced coffee. Put your leftover morning coffee into an ice cube tray and freeze it. Use the coffee cubes in your next iced coffee for a less watery, more flavorful drink. Number 8. Tangle-Free Earbuds. Wind your earbuds in a figure 8 pattern and secure them with a binder clip to prevent tangling. Number 9. Reheat pizza perfection. Reheat leftover pizza in a skillet with a lid for a crisp crust and add a few drops of water to create steam for melty cheese. Goodbye soggy microwave pizza. Number 10. DIY phone stand. Create a makeshift phone stand using a sunglasses case or an old cassette tape case. They are the perfect angles for viewing your phone hands-free. And there you have it, 10 life hacks that will change your everyday life for the better. Subscribe to Curiosity Unleashed for more incredible tips, eye-opening discoveries, and life-enhancing information. Thank you for joining us, and we will see you next time.